Hi, I'm Ray and you're watching PhoneArena's weekly news roundup, and this time we have a special episode for you because last week was all about IFA, the consumer electronics show that took place in Berlin. So why is this important? The reason is that IFA 2013 was used as a stage to announce some quite important products such as the Xperia Z1 and the Galaxy Note 3. It was Sony on September 4th that officially kicked things off by unveiling its new flagship smartphone, the Sony Xperia Z1. In terms of looks, the device is very similar to the Xperia Z, but it features a fancy aluminum frame that enhances its design even further. Hardware-wise, the Xperia Z1 runs on one of the best mobile chipsets available, the Snapdragon 800, which comes with a very powerful Adreno 330 GPU. All in all, the Xperia Z1 is a beautiful and powerful smartphone, although a bit bulky. Thankfully, it's coming out this month, so we'll soon have the opportunity to go a bit more in-depth with it. Just a few hours later, it was Samsung's turn to wow us with a high-end device of its own. We're of course talking about the Galaxy Note 3 phablet, which manages to pack a massive 5.7-inch screen in exactly the same dimensions as its predecessors. The new Note has an overall design that is a bit more similar to the original Note, but easily the most peculiar thing when it comes to its appearance is the leather-like back panel. The Note 3 also sports a 13-megapixel camera that will be able to record 4K video, making this one of the very first devices with this feature. One of the best things about the Galaxy Note 3 is that it's going to launch this month, no sooner or later than September 25th on AT&T, Sprint and T-Mobile. Samsung has also announced two other interesting products, the new Note 10.1 tablet and the Galaxy Gear smartwatch. The Galaxy Gear will be able to pair to Galaxy smartphones to deliver notifications, calls and some other apps on its 1.6-inch touchscreen. The good news is that it will also launch on September 25th. The bad news is that it's going to cost about $300 in the US. Another device that got announced at IFA, which shouldn't be overlooked at all, is the LG GPad 8.3. The new tablet by the South Korean company is a spectacular device with premium build quality and an amazing 8.3-inch screen, which happens to be of superior quality compared to its competitors due to its higher 1080p resolution. Of course, we had some hands-on time with the GPad 8.3 and we can report that it's incredibly thin and light, which will make it very comfortable to work with. IFA 2013 didn't go without a bunch of smaller announcements. For example, Acer introduced a new 10.1-inch tablet, the Iconia A3, which is scheduled for a November release, while Alcatel has once again unveiled some quite impressive products like the stylish One Touch Idol Alpha, which differentiates by employing transparent design elements. Last but not least, HTC has showed the Desire 601 and the 300, which don't stand out with anything in particular, but could make for decent low-end Android models. If you'd like to learn more about what happened at IFA 2013 or read our hands-on articles about the Galaxy Note 3 and the Xperia Z1, be sure to visit us at phonearena.com. Thanks for being with us, and till next time!